Everyone, for more understanding of the concept of BODMAS or pendants, let's explore some more examples. BODMAS. So let's look at an example. Let's say 7 plus 3 times 5 is to the power of 2 divided by 3 minus 4. Solution. So the first thing we do here is to work on the bracket. 7 plus 3 times 5 square divided by 3 minus 4. So working on the brackets, we're having an order here. 5 square will give you 25. 7 plus 3 times 25 divided by 3 minus 4. 7 plus 3 times 25 now will give you 75 divided by 3 minus 4. So from what we are having and from the BODMAS rule, the next one we'll be working on is the division. 75 divided by 3 now is 7 plus 25 minus 4. So what's the next thing we're going to work on here? Looking at our BODMAS, trying to remember the rule. The next thing here is addition. So 7 plus 25 is equals to 32 minus 4. 32 minus 4 now will give you 28. Now let's look at another example to understand BODMAS better. So let's say I want to work on 32 minus 24 times 36 divided by 4 plus 8 square. So to do this, we also have to work on the parentheses first, the bracket first, following the BODMAS rule. So our first bracket here, 32 minus 24 times 36 divided by 4 plus 8 square. 32 minus 24 will give you equals to 8 times 36 divided by 4 will give you 9 plus 8 square. Now the next thing, after the brackets, we have order. So 8 times 9 plus 8 square will give you 64. The next thing we should work on, following our BODMAS rule, is multiplication. 8 times 9 will give you 72 plus 64. Now 72 plus 64 will give you 136. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye.